Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. First, let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, and after that we'll see here all the available invisible icons and options. Just to add them to your panel, you should hold the icon and drag it to this up section by this way. To remove some of them from here, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, just by the same way, hold it and drag it to the left or to the right side. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.